Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Beam Diary. Today I'm going to discuss how to create a skirting family using line base template. To start that, go to File and here go to New and select Family. Then it will direct you to Family Template folder and I'm going to select Metric Generic Line Based Template. This one, Metric Generic Model Line Based. Okay, open that. You will see interface like this, and you can see one parameter is already being assigned to this reference plane. That means this reference line will change according to this value of this length parameter. Now what I'm going to do is create a sweep. Go to create and select sweep. So first thing is I have to select my path. To do that I'm going to select pick path tool and not sketch path because there is a one reference line here, it is already exists. So I'm going to select pick path and select that reference line. It will automatically locked into this reference line. So I'm going to finish it. Then I'm going to create my profile. I'll go to edit profile here and I'm going to choose elevation right and open view. Now this is the interface or work plane. Actually this is the work plane. So I'm going to now create my skirting profile. To do that I'm going to select line tool and I'll start from here and go 70 millimeter up and 12 millimeter right and 10 millimeter down, 5 here, 5 here, another 5 here, and go down and complete my profile. So this is very simple skirting, but you will understand how I use my line based template. Then I'm going to finish this. Okay, I have to finish again. Okay, now I'm going to save it. I'll go to desktop. I already have a skirting family. I'm going to replace this. Okay, save. Yes, I'm going to replace this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to load into my project. Okay, load into project and yes, already there. Now I can place it. Now you can see place on work plane tool is activate. Now I can place it. If it is in place on face, you have to change into place on work plane. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my skirting family like this. I'm going to choose this point and drag. I'm going to downside and click it again. Okay, I have placed my skirting family. Now I'm going to create a section and see what happened. Okay, this section would be enough and I'm going to, yes, it is already there. Now I'm going to do it to my actually 3D view. I'll go to 3D view. I'll change this into realistic and I use section view and go down. I'll see what happened. Little bit further. Okay, as you see it is already there, already placed, and it's look nice and very simple. Okay, I can go to ground level again. I can do another skirting. I'm going to choose this. Okay, I'm going to select my skirting and I use this create similar option and I'm going to draw it. Sorry, the direction should be other way. Okay, I'm going to start from here and draw it like this. I stop exactly this point. Okay, now again I'm going to 3D view. See what happened. You see Now it is look nice and very simple, as I said earlier. Okay, you can try this. This is very simple, and if you have problems, just comment, and if you learn something, just subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.